This is a short video on how to change your headlight bulbs for your Toyota Prius hybrid. This is a 2007 that I got here, and I'm just gonna make a quick video, and it's very simple. Actually, if you see back here behind the lights, let me see if we can get a good angle. See, that's where that's the headlight bulb right there, and it's a twist and turn. So just twist it and turn, and then it comes out. So that's very easy. That's how you take it out. And of course, to remove the bulb, you just pull it out and replace your new one. Alrighty, I'm not gonna be removing this one today because I was just making this video just to show you how to take it out. So, and to replace it, it's just easy. Just put it back in and then you turn, and that's just it. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you on my next video.